Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking show. I know I've been gone from cooking because I've been obsessed with my hair lately, which, can you tell, like, you can't even tell that it fell out. I have to like comb it like all the way this way, or you can see my little hair stick up. But good thing is I can still wear my hair down and you can see this little speck, but that's not too bad. I still have my retainer on, but I feel like I can talk better. It is hot in here, so I might be a little sweaty on the camera or glowing. But today I am making a low carb keto pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich because I've been back on my health grind for like 2.5 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I haven't counted really, but I've been eating really good lately, so I haven't been eating pasta or bread or carbs. So I do miss carbs. So I found this recipe on YouTube. I'll link that, the lady's channel below. But we're gonna make our low carb keto bread and then make a pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich with it. I've eaten this almost every day, so I'm kind of sick of it, but it's really easy to make and it's pretty bomb, so I'm gonna make it again. So what you need is almond flour. You need like Tupperware, like a small Tupperware. I use just this regular Tupperware, Rubbermaid. I kind of don't like it because it has this indentation and you can see when I pull it out. But whatever Tupperware you have, preferably small. Your seasoning, I'm gonna use Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. You need tomato sauce, pepperoni, your preferred cheese. I like Swiss cheese. I don't know, I'm not picky with cheese. Eggs, and your butter. So first things first, let's just get into it because it is hot and I'm hungry. And this literally takes less than 5 minutes to make. So you want to get a tablespoon of butter. And I just put it right away in the Tupperware rather than just separating it. So you want to melt your butter. I usually put it on 30 seconds. You also want baking powder, the most important thing. Baking powder, almond flour, seasoning, tomato sauce. Yeah, that's what you need to put it together. But yeah, I've been really eating healthy, guys. I'm proud of myself so far. I go to a party this Saturday, so that's gonna be the real struggle to see if I can resist some tacos or whatever they're gonna have. But yeah, our butter. You need more than 30 seconds to melt your butter. Okay, I actually haven't ate this since 2 days ago. I've been eating it for a while though, I'm telling you. But I forgot how I made it. So the lady's channel is, it's 90-second keto bread. Nicole Burgess. This is where I got the recipe from. So let me pull my butter. You want to get your melted butter. And then you want to add, well, she's put 3 tablespoons of butter, but I only put 1 tablespoon. The butter's not really like an important thing, I don't think. So you put a tablespoon to 3 tablespoons of butter. For sure, 1 egg. So 1 egg. Oh my god. And then 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I just put my almond flour in this mason jar because it's easier to use. So 1, 2, 3. And then you want to make a half a tablespoon. You want to put half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you put whatever seasoning you want. So I'm going to put, see, this is how it looks. I'm going to put Italian seasoning, onion powder. Oh my god, this is almost falling out. And some garlic powder. And then you want to mix all this up. Guys, I cannot mix this with one hand. So you want to mix this up. Oh, I forgot the main thing. You can spray your Tupperware with like cooking spray if you're scared it's gonna stick to it, which this, it doesn't stick to it, but if you want to be extra precautious, I don't know if it's just certain Tupperwares it sticks to, but with this one it didn't stick. So this is how it's gonna look. Let's see. And then you want to put this in your microwave for 90 seconds. And we will wait for that. It's sweaty. So look, this is our keto 90-second bread. Okay, it doesn't, I don't want y'all to think that this tastes like actual bread, because it doesn't. So I'm gonna let this cool down before I cut it in half. So with my tomato sauce, I'm gonna add Italian seasoning, the onion powder, and garlic powder. But let me show you how I'm gonna form this. Let me get all organized. Guys, my hair looks so blonde. I'm happy I did it. I mean, it could have been, I could have not done it and I could have had more hair, but oh well, you live and you learn. So now that this is cooled down, let me show you. Oh, I just put my freaking camera string in the tomato sauce. Ew, 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 ew. So look it. So this is our bread, keto bread. See how it is nice and fluffy, square. This is what I'm talking about. It leaves the indentation from the Tupperware. So this is kind of still hot, kind of. But I like to cut it down the middle, but I hold it like this. And voila. 2 perfectly sized breads. So now I take my, we'll put the cheese, no, we'll put the tomato sauce. So you can use whatever plain tomato sauce you have, or you can put pizza sauce, but I just use plain tomato sauce for less carbs. Put a little bit more Italian seasoning, some garlic, or onion, and then garlic. Let me show you guys. So this is how it looks. I know it looks gross, but then you put your Swiss cheese, and now we add our pepperoni, and like this. My fiance like seriously loves this stuff, but I make his with regular bread. So like this. I'm gonna put a little bit more tomato sauce. You can put pizza sauce or whatever sauce you prefer. And you put the top on, and just like a grilled cheese, you're gonna want to spread butter on top of it. I'm gonna spread some butter already. I know this butter's just hard to melt, and I already have this one. I know this is not really keto butter, but it's healthy butter, so oh well. Okay, you don't want to put this much butter. I'm just trying to, okay, maybe you do. I cannot do anything with one hand. So my pan is already heating up, and you just want to stick that on there. Put some more butter on this side. And let that grill. Look at, I have tomato sauce on my finger. So now we just wait. Look at, see, you can't even tell my hair. Look how freaking sweaty I am. It is so hot in California. Oh my god, I can't. Look at, oh my god, that's thick. I'm literally drenched in sweat. So let's clean up our mess because we are clean. We are clean hoes. I mean, we are not the H word. We are ladies. Okay, so I flipped it. If you couldn't tell, I'm gonna pour me some Coke Zero because we are healthy queens and we drink soda still. So, go figure. How does my hair look, guys? Do you want me to go back brown or keep it like this? I don't know why I just did that. But I'm not gonna bleach it anymore. I promised everyone. But seriously, I don't think my hair can stand it. My ends are really soft. I know you might think I'm lying, but I'm not lying. My ends are soft. And that is some cool. That is some good soda. So we're just waiting for our little bread to cook. Don't you hate when you think your phone is charging and it literally isn't? Here is our keto 90-second bread pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich. It doesn't look the best, but it is bomb. Let me take off my retainer. Don't want to show you. Oh my god, guys, it's so freaking hot. It's hot because like the stove's on and then I get hot really fast. Let me, oh my god, why did I drink this soda? And why do I continue to drink it? I'm waiting for my sandwich to cool down. But yeah, if you want me to do what I eat in my life, what I eat in a day, like health wise, I can, because I've been eating pretty healthy, like low carb, no carb, keto, I guess. Because I don't even know what to say. I don't want to say I'm doing keto because I'm not eating, I'm doing like sugar-free, less carbs, but I'm not really paying, like, I don't think this is keto, but it's sugar-free. So anyways, if you want me to show you what I eat, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I can do one thing like breakfast, one thing lunch, dinner. Let me know, but you need to let me know or I won't do it. Okay, I probably will do it. Okay, this is our grilled cheese sandwich. It tastes so good with the Swiss cheese. I feel like I'm eating pizza, but not really. Especially if you're craving pizza, like this, guilt-free. Very guilt-free. This came out really good. Look at that cheese. This is so good. Props to me. Well, props to that lady for showing me this recipe. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the short video. I feel like this is going to be short, but I'll upload again next week. Well, this is going to be uploaded next week, so we'll see. Let me know what you want to see. Hair, makeup, a vlog, or healthy food. But yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. Comment nice things, please. And look at my teeth. Anyways, okay. Thank you guys. Bye.